Hi everyone, today I've got something super excited. My new perfume from Dossier just arrived. I've heard amazing things about their fragrance and of course I can't wait to try it out with you guys. Let's see what's inside the box. I basically forgot that it's 2-pack, and as I was bringing it out I thought that both of them are in one carton and one just fell off. Look at this package, so minimal and beautiful. I actually love how sleek it looks. It comes in this little box. And here is the little bottle. I'm obsessed with the bottle and it feels super luxury but at the same time simple. You can tell this is a high quality. Dossier is known for creating a real good quality perfume and at the same time at affordable price. And guess what? I am excited to see how it smells. Okay, our first sniff. Wow, that's really amazing, or can I say really lovely. And this perfume is woody sandalwood, and guess what, it's fresh. Of course I love how it's not overpowering. It feels really wearable and mostly for everyday. I'm going to wear this for a couple of days to really get the full scent, experience. Guess what? First impressions are really a yes from me. If you are interested in getting this perfume, I'll leave every single details down below in the description box. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see the full review of these two perfumes. Remember, I just showed you guys one perfume and this is the second perfume right here. And I can't wait to share this in my full review too. So if you want to see it, make sure you subscribe, like this video if you want to see the full review. And of course, that is after I've worn it for a few days. Then I will now share my honest thoughts on this perfume. Thanks for watching.